Good morning, guys. So, I'm at work right now, and it is morning. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, started the vlog. Look at this little one. He's watching. Well, he was watching Good Morning America, but it's commercials now. Anyway. So, I wanted to apologize for yesterday. There was no vlog yesterday. Basically, what happened was I spent the day cleaning the house with my mom, basically, we were, in order to sell the house and, have the estate sale and everything, we have to get it cleaned. So I was working in the house, in my room in the house, all day. It's done, but my phone died, and we were at the house, so I didn't have my charger with me. And I didn't bring my computer, so I couldn't edit yesterday. And I had maybe 3 minutes of footage unedited from yesterday. So I'm just gonna have to edit those 2 days into one vlog and upload it tonight. And I'm really sorry there was no vlog yesterday. But, sometimes stuff just happens. Look, now he's watching the People's Court. So cute. I have to go finish making his food now. Alright guys, it is now 5:45 and I had just finished work. And now I am headed, I don't know where I'm headed yet. I'm waiting for my mom to text me back. But, oh, lovely, my hair is sticking up in the front. Okay, whatever. Anyway, I don't know how much film that I have from today, but we'll make it work. I still have to edit yesterday and the day before together and upload it. Maybe I'll stop home first and use the Wi-Fi there, because the Wi-Fi at our resort sucks. Like, it's gonna take 500 minutes. Over 500 minutes, actually. So, we'll see. Anyway, but I need to check my texts, so. Alright guys, so now I am getting ready to save all the files and edit yesterday's, on the day before that, this vlog all into one. Look at my file set up here. So, in my photos, vlogs, 2015, May, and then I have each day. So, sitting on a chair.
Found a spot.
Found a spot. We are.
It does not feel safe anywhere else.
We are currently
Done for the night.
done for the night, but trying to pack the house.
Say hi.
This is
Say hi,
just
family.
just the
Watch out, Shay, watch out. Time to carry things.
aftermath of
The chaos.
Everything else
Chaos.
was up here except for that stuff.
I've just spent the last. What do you
This room. Oh no, pictures too.
figure I spent in there?
You need helping sort and vacuum or just vacuum?
Just vacuum.
Probably half an hour.
Half an hour. I didn't even
Look at that.
do a lot.
Look at that.
Vacuuming the walls.
Look at that. She missed a spot.
I didn't do that half of that wall
Look at how
yet.
clean that is. Look at that.
Vacuuming all this,
And
backs of the doors,
Look at that.
all the walls, pictures, curtains,
That's a door.
blinds. I think I swallowed some dust. Mirror, dresser. Oh, I didn't do the dresser doors. Whoops. Gun safe. Oh,
Look at
the safe. The
Well, it kind of has the word on it.
yeah. I did bedside tables. I did a lot of vacuuming.
Yes.
I'm tired now.
Can I go play? I really appreciate it. We're going to have a TV watching marathon. I don't mind not.
I'm gonna edit my vlog where we're somewhere where I can upload it that has decent Wi-Fi.
Cool.
Woohoo!
You tried mine, or did you already trash mine using it?
They've been down there.
We're trying to find something to eat in our house that has nothing in the fridge.
Ice, chocolate ice.
If you find something to eat, I don't think we have anything to cook it in.
True story.
What?
Mom says she doesn't think even if we find something to eat, we don't have anything to cook it in.
Pizza it is.
What did he say?
Pizza it is. Pizza. A pizza, pizza. Pizza. I was filming nothing.
I will be brokenhearted.
I bet he won't. Are you gonna eat the ice cream?
What?
Throw me a spoon.
You don't have any.
We
There's
have
any spoons here?
we have one.
If there's
Where
any
is it?
spoons here, they're downstairs plastic.
Where is it? Wait. Ha! There's a metal one around here. Ha! There's a metal one around here too.
There's a. Well,
Oh, it's in here. What? What's in here? There's the spoon.
Lunches and dinners.
Spoon. I found a spoon.
Some freezer room, don't we?
Yeah.
I found a spoon.
I was
found
going
two
to
spoons.
do that.
I found 2 spoons. See? 2 spoons. Whoosh. I'm cutting your head off with spoons.
That would be very painful to have my head cut off with a spoon.
Just
You
visually.
sound like the guy in Robin Hood who threatened to cut the guy's heart out with a spoon. And then the guy said, "Why would you use a spoon to cut my heart out?" And he said, "Because it will hurt more."
I don't actually remember that part.
It's because you don't pay enough attention.
When he stabbed him
Thanks.
later in the movie, he said, well, at least I didn't use a